Hello and welcome back to AussieMotoVlogs. My name's Brendan. Today we're in no particular rush. I've just been riding around, just enjoying the hot Sunday sun. If you've missed the community post that I put up on Friday night, well, Dean has some pretty big news, so let's cut over to Dean real quick and I'll see you in a second.
I'm married now.
That is right, my big brother is now a married man. So he will be off for a few weeks. I believe that he's going on a road trip, I think, with his now wife. At least that's what I thought he said to me on Friday, but he was drunk, so maybe I misheard. But anyway, I've already kind of run out of things to say, so let us cut over to the music. And if I think of anything, I will be sure to come back. So for now, enjoy the ride, and I'll speak to you soon. Alrighty, so turns out I do have something to add, and that is our tax returns here in Australia. They should be happening any day now, really. Which ultimately means that I'm going to have enough money, ideally. Now, nothing's set in stone, but ideally, I'm going to have enough money to purchase my brand new bike outright. Maybe have to get a small little loan. But if I can purchase this bike outright, that means that Tasmania trip is going to happen sooner rather than later. If you're unaware, I have been wanting to purchase the KTM Adventures, and I've got one in mind of what I was looking at, assuming it's still for sale. Which means that we might be seeing this bike gone very soon, due time that I upgrade this beauty of a bike. But on top of that, the Adventure will furthermore assist me in getting a lot more like the travel videos done that I want this channel to be. Like, as I've always said, the Ninja is great for like small town commutes, but I don't think it would cut it for what I want to do, like state to state riding. Because Australia is a pretty goddamn big place. Any bike can cut it, but comfort-wise, as I've mentioned many times, the seat on this bike absolutely sucks. Like, probably 45 minutes max is the most you could go for before you're walking around like something's jammed up you. Anyway, welcome to Elwood. I'm getting smoked out here. I'm getting really smoked out here. Boy, fix your car. Okay, the helmet behind this guy doesn't help us. Oh, that's a bad joke to make. I'm not gonna say that. I will just say it feels like maybe being in like a GC. I will not elaborate any further than that. If you know, you know. And I'm gonna go grab a drink. I think today's beverage is going to be a Monster, I think. A white can of Monster. That's my normal go-to. Alright, so I'll see you very shortly. Alrighty. Drink acquired. Now I'm going to head home. I've had a very long day of just writing about. I have been thinking, and I would like your guys' opinion. I'm thinking of starting a new little series. It'll be no commentary. And I'm thinking of just dubbing it like daily observations or something. Where I will take like a week of writing. Obviously record it all. And I just put together a bunch of different clips of weird oddities and strange things that I happen to see while writing. Or any weird like interactions. And then, yeah, just uploading it as is like that. No commentary, as I said. So, if you'd like to see that, please let me know. Because, yeah, I think it would be a nice way just to have some, like, filler content for yous. If you guys are keen for that, then I'll be sure to get that going for you. Might even get Dean in on it. So, yeah, be sure to let me know. And be sure to leave a lovely comment for Dean and his now wife, Samantha. Have a little cheers for Dean and Sam. Long and happy marriage. I will see you very soon in another video. And Dean will see you very soon-ish in a couple of weeks or so. So, take care for now. Thank y'all very much for watching. And I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.